Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mclaren Speedtail and this is by Hotwheels. And this is the main line. I bought it for 179, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So as I mentioned multiple times, I do have the STH variation of this one. So I'm lucky enough to get that one because I do love the Mclaren Speedtail, so much. So luckily I was able to get the normal version as well. So because I don't want to unbox a STH as of now, I will be unboxing that soon. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. And so the paint job has a little bit of issues, but yours might not have. So let's leave that part alone. And you can see the McLaren logo here, which is okay. Okay, which is good to be honest. Doesn't have any headlight detail. Okay, it does have tail light detail here. You can see it says speed tail here. So this part here, this part of the metal, this is the tail actually. That spoiler which moves up and down. This is actually a part of this metal piece itself. So that is a bit unique for this particular car. And you can see the interior also here, which looks really nice. And this part here, so that is kind of frosted kind of material, like frosted acrylic, I guess. So that does look really nice. So it does have a little bit of scratches here, but again, this might be only for mine. So this is a full metal body, and this part here is plastic. Chassis is fully plastic, and again, this is just a main line, so don't expect too much. And you can see the exhaust details here. I think this is the exhaust for this particular car. So I saw the video of the actual car, but they never actually showed the exhaust. So I only saw the how the spoiler functions. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. Overall, the casting looks really nice. So let's weigh this one. Okay, 29 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it is negligible. It does roll really well. Yeah, it does roll really well. So I don't have any problem with it. So let's rate this casting. So I would say, see, most of these issues which I'm having, I might be only having, and rest everything looks really nice. So my only like nitpick is like, again, they could have went with headlight details instead of the tail light details. So because again, you are going to keep the car like this, not like this, because again, when more specifically when this car is viewed from the rear, doesn't look really that good. But from this angle it does look really beautiful. So 9.5 out of 10, because the 0.5 just because of this the detailing, no headlight detailing. So this is really nice casting. If you guys are able to get this one, go ahead and get it. So with that said, that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.